How's it going? My name's Tucker from Automotive. This right here is our 2014 Audi Q5 Premium. We just took it in on trade, and today I'm going to talk to you about why this is the perfect luxury SUV on a budget. Talk about some of the reasons why you might want to buy this vehicle and just go over all the features. So let's just jump right into it. So, like I said, this is the 2014 model. So that means you're going to get a bunch of innovative and cool technology in this, but you won't have to worry about the price tag as a newer vehicle. This one is going to come in the really nice dark gray, makes it look very modern and sleek. You have LED headlights up here, fog lights as well down there, and I'll show you up front and up back, but I'll show you back in a second. It has park sense, so that means that it's going to beep at you if you get too close to something, whether it's another car, guardrail, anything like that. That's going to beep, let you know where you're driving, so you know before you're going to hit something. Also, really cool about this one, right here, you have the badge that is for the Quattro badge. It is the all-wheel drive system on Audis, and it is really well known for being able to handle pretty much anything that the weather has thrown us. Well, whether we're talking about snow, rain, mud, anything like that, this system will be able to handle it and make sure that you're safe in all conditions. Okay, so coming along the side now, you can see right here, it's gonna have some 18-inch wheels, some really well-equipped tires. Like I said, these are gonna match well with that Quattro system and really make sure, you know, these are gripping the road as well as helping the Quattro system kind of spin the differential and drivetrain and all that. No, what the fuck did I just say? Okay, so coming along the side now, it's gonna have some 18-inch wheels, with some really well-equipped tires. These ones are Michelin. That's just going to depend on the one that you get as well. But if you're looking at this one, it's going to have some nice Michelin tires. Going to match really well with that Quattro system. Really make sure that the system is helping, or this is helping put down what the system is throwing. So walking on the side, you have some really nice side mirrors as well. Going to have keyless remote entry to get inside. Show you inside in a second. This one is also going to have some roof racks, so you can throw, you know, storage bin up there. You can have snowboard skis up here as well. Really make it handle whatever winter has to throw. What the fuck am I saying? Okay, coming along the side now, it's gonna have some 18-inch wheels with some really well-equipped tires. These ones specifically are gonna be Michelin tires, but that's just gonna depend on the one that you get. But if you're looking at this one, it's gonna have Michelin tires. Gonna really help put down the grip as well as with fucking A. Coming along the side now, this one is going to have 18-inch wheels with some nice big brakes behind the wheels right there that you can see. It's also going to have some Michelin tires, and these are going to be some really well-equipped tires, especially matched with that Quattro system. Just really help make sure you stick and have grip on the road, as well as the brakes. You know, part of it is having grip, but when you brake, you want to make sure you're braking fast, you're keeping grip, and these brakes will help that as well. Walking on the side now, again, this will really show off the paint and just how nice and sleek it looks. Right here, you're gonna have some keyless remote entry to get inside, make it so you don't have to take your hands, or you can keep your keys in your pocket, open the door like that. Really nice system. Up top, it's gonna come with some roof racks, so whether you're gonna put, you know, cargo bin up there, you wanna throw a snowboard, skis, anything like that, that'll be ready for you up there. And we'll take a walk to the back now. Coming to the back now, from this badging, you can tell it is the 2.0 turbo engine. It's also gonna have dual exhaust, really let that engine breathe. It has a very nice looking back end. The taillights are gonna be very similar to the sedans, you know, the A3, A5, all that, and just give a really nice look. You hit the button right under here. If I can grab it right there, you'll see just how much space is in this trunk. As you can see, ton of space for a more mid-sized sedan, or more mid-sized SUV. You can also pop this open, give you a ton of different space back here. You're gonna have some side compartments on that side as well, and just give you some more space back there. Also, these seats will be able to fold down to give you even more, the maximum capacity that this can hold. It does split 60-40 and just give you the most space. Okay, coming inside now, you have some nice black leather bucket seating up front. Helps keep you snug and comfy while you're driving. Your steering wheel is going to have a bunch of buttons that is going to be able to control the infotainment system as well as some of the settings on the dashboard. Speaking of this infotainment system, you're going to have pretty much everything you would want in here. You're going to have Bluetooth, radio, navigation, and just all the settings on the car are going to be through here, as well as, you know, the dash. But you're going to be able to control it all up here. And you have a few buttons down here to control this infotainment system. You have, you know, your radio, your media, navigation, telephone. So you can use hands-free. You don't have to actually have your telephone up. You can just connect it to the infotainment system. And if you need to make a call, right down here, hit the button. So right also down here, you're going to have your push to start, as well as all your climate control right up here in the center dash. And it's going to have just over 60,000 miles in this thing, so it's just getting started. Gonna have a ton of life left in it. So finishing off in the back seat, you're gonna have your black leather as well. You're gonna have some vents down the middle, and something I forgot to mention in the front, you have a WeatherTech floor mats all the way around. You also, in the middle, can pop it down. You have a little armrest as well. If you have any more questions that I haven't already answered, or you think that this might be the vehicle for you, please feel free, reach out at any time. We're happy to answer any more questions, have you go for a test drive, everything like that. So just reach out to us anytime.